up guys? It's gonna be like a clean with me, but also like a day in my life type of video. Today is Sunday, October 3rd. It's currently 12:11 p.m. in the afternoon. We're gonna make our to-do list for the day in just a second. I just wanna finish curling my hair. So let me finish this and then okay, so we have our little notepad here per usual. I'm gonna fill this out and then I'll share with y'all what the to-do list is. It's a very long one today. As I knew I would, after putting together my to-do list, I immediately feel better. Just to like, I still know I have a ton to do, but it's a little less overwhelming because I have a list. So base clean of all the rooms, which is what we're gonna do first. I have a ton of laundry to put away. Finish filming my closet clean out video and edit and upload it because that video is actually going live tomorrow in my time. I have a toll bill I have to pay from New York. I have a handful of emails I have to respond to. Okay, here's the living room. Also, if you can't tell, I am officially using my new wide angle lens. So everything should be like, we can get really wide angle shots. Very excited. So let me know what you think of this lens. Handful of stuff. Last night, Tim and I had dinner and had some drinks, so didn't really clean up anything before we went to bed. Also later today, Tim and I are gonna be taking Callie for a really pretty, we found like the street with a bunch of nice houses along the water. So we're gonna go take her for a walk later. He's currently at his dad's house. He's helping him completely redo his kitchen. Actually, I'll insert a picture of what it's looking like right here. It's honestly incredible. That's what he's doing while we are cleaning. Lots of cleaning to do. Living room, dining room. This isn't really that bad. Got some of clothes. Tim's on the ground per usual. Got to put those away. And then the kitchen. I honestly am not even sure if that's clean or dirty. So I'll have to take a look at that and then just some cleaning to do in here. Let's see. The bedroom, actually the bedroom isn't awful just because this is where yesterday I started filming my closet clean out video, which was uploaded last week. So I'll have that linked in the description if you want to check it out. But I do have to finish filming that in a little bit today. And then let's see, the office. Oh gosh, the office is a disaster. So as I said, and as you can see, I have a ton of laundry to do today. All of the laundry up on the shelf is clean. We're going to be folding that later. First, I did have another couple of dirty loads that I needed to wash. So I'm starting that in the washing machine. Definitely have a hard time staying on top of my laundry. So whenever I'm doing a cleaning routine, I always like to start off with laundry. So I know that while I'm doing all my other cleaning, the laundry is getting cleaned as well. So today we're doing a room by room cleaning routine, and I actually have a 3-step routine I like to follow when I'm doing like kind of more of a quick clean. I do have a video where I share this as like a cleaning motivation idea, so I'll have that video linked in the description. But essentially today I'm going room by room, starting off with getting rid of all of the trash, and then I remove everything that doesn't belong in the room, and then I come back and deal with everything in the room. And I love this 3-step cleaning method because it breaks down the process and really makes the entire, cleaning that needs to be done seem more manageable. So I know that first I'm only focusing on trash, then I'm focusing on taking everything out of the room that doesn't have to be there or isn't supposed to be there. And then when we get to the final step, I can look at the room and know everything that I see is supposed to be there, and I just have to focus on putting it back in its place.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah.
Moving on to the kitchen, we are again going to do that 3-step process. So first here, I am dealing with all of the trash. For the kitchen, it's trash and recyclables because I do have a ton of those as well. So I'm first taking out the trash, going to be switching out that bag, and you'll see in a moment we take Cal for a little walk while we go to put the trash in the dumpster and the recycling in the recycling bin. And then obviously I have to light a candle. Let me know in the comments, what do you use to make your home smell good? Do you use candles or a diffuser or a wall scent that you plug in, room sprays? I'm curious. I do love room sprays and I kind of want to try the wall diffusers. My best friend uses them and she swears by them. But as of right now, I'm pretty much always burning a candle in the fall and the winter time. Not as much in the spring and summer, but we're now heading into that season where I have a candle lit almost all the time.
Lightning strikes by my window. It's my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
I'm so excited. This is our third video where we have a quote somewhere within the video. I absolutely love motivational and inspirational quotes. I don't know, they really are a great way for me to get inspired and motivated to do things. So I had the idea to include one in every single Clean With Me video, and today's quote I absolutely love. The quote is by Walt Disney himself, and it says, "The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing." It's so easy to get wrapped up in talking about things you want to do and planning and dreaming about things and brainstorming ways to get it done. But at the end of the day, until you actually make that first move and just start doing it, it's only a vision. And when you start to put in action and the work and start doing things, that's when it becomes your reality. The other day and they did have Christmas stuff, and if you know me, you know that Christmas is my favorite time of year ever. We will be decorating for Christmas very early this year, so be on the lookout for my Christmas Clean and Decorate with me sooner than you may think. Not in October though. There's the hint. But I really wanted like a knit tree skirt, and I found this one at TJ Maxx for $30, and I am so excited to use this. So as you can probably guess, we're going to do the same 3-step process to the office. And if you didn't know, I'm sorry if you've heard me say this. I feel like I've said this before, but if you're new, I do work a full-time job outside of YouTube. I do learning, content creation, and management for a clinical trials and cognitive science company. And since this pandemic, it has been completely remote. Moving forward, we do have the option to continue working fully remote permanently, which I am so incredibly thankful for. I love my job. I love that I get to do it from home. So I spend a lot of time in this office. Ooh, and question of the day, I would love to know, what do you do with regards to work or school? Are you working remote? Are you back in the office? Or have you been in the office through this entire pandemic? If you feel comfortable sharing, I'd love to know, what do you do for work? What do your days look like? And if you're in school, what are you studying, or what do you think you may want to study? Obviously, I share a ton on my channel, but I love to get a little bit more insight into your lives and what you do and that sort of a thing. So if you're comfortable, I would love, love, love to have you share that in the comments. I'm making a really quick lunch. It's very basic, just pasta with peas. I put a little bit of olive oil on there, and then I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. This is like the Kraft Parmesan cheese, definitely very fake Parmesan cheese. This is what I grew up eating. Like my mom would always have this for dinner. And now, even when I get like the nicer Parmesan, you know, like more expensive, a little bit more, like the longer pieces of it, I don't know, I just always crave this. This is like what I prefer because it reminds me of my childhood. Probably go watch a YouTube video, just chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna go finish cleaning or like filming my closet clean out with me. Oh, also we can check off, yay, base clean. Aside from the bedroom, obviously, because that's gonna be done when I film my next video or finish filming the video from yesterday. But we can officially check off clean all rooms. Yay. So if you saw my closet declutter and organize with me, one of the things we did in that video was use my vacuum bags, and I had just used them in before I filmed this clip, and I figured might as well vacuum. And as you can see, it's one of Callie's favorite games. She used to be terrified of the vacuum. Now she loves to attack it. Makes it a little difficult when vacuuming, but I just love seeing her have so much fun. And now on to folding the very, very large amount of laundry that I said I had to do. It feels like it's really never ending. And we do still have more to do in this video, but I wanted to take this opportunity to say, if you are new here and you're enjoying this video so far, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I make a ton of content all centered around home and lifestyle and creating a home and a life that you love and you're proud of. And I put out new videos every single week. So if that does interest you, I would love for you to consider subscribing. And just a huge thank you to all of y'all who take the time to watch my videos. I absolutely love making videos. I cannot imagine not making them. And the fact that I can make them and have y'all who like to watch them and enjoy them and find motivation from them makes me so unbelievably happy and grateful that I don't even know what words to use. So I just want to say from my heart, the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I love y'all so, so much. And yeah, I really, really appreciate every single one of you. We finished the laundry. Technically, there is still a load in the wash and then one more load to do after that, but I may fold that like tonight and then do the second load tomorrow or something. So for right now, we are going to cross off the laundry. Yay. Okay, let's see. Finish filming closet and then edit, upload that video. So I think right now, actually, I'm going to kind of film the outro for the closet video. Pretty much all of that footage is done while I did more filming for that, and then part of like folding the laundry, had to fold the laundry for that video because as you'll see, all of Tim's clothes were like needed to be folded, so he didn't like have anything for me to put away, but now everything is put away. Okay, my camera is now, the charger says that it's dying, so the charger is blinking, so I have to go put that on the charger. I don't yet have like a second charger for my camera. Do you want to go for a car ride? Do you want to go for a car ride? You go for a ride to car? Yay! You go for a car ride. So I'm guessing that's a yes to the car ride. You seem excited. Oh, did you try and get the bug? Whenever she sees a bug, she'll like try and get it. And then one time she did, and it like, I don't know if it bit her in the mouth, and she was like, and I was like, baby, you got to stop doing that. You got to learn. Can't do that. She still does it though. It has been a minute since we filmed the main part of this video. Today is Monday, October 12th, or Tuesday, October 12th. I actually just finished the voiceover and editing this video. I filmed it last Sunday. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you may know this past week I was in Florida with my best friend. It was incredible. We have always talked about doing a beach trip together, and we had never taken like a big trip, just the two of us, and it was incredible. We spent so much time on the beach. We got nice dinners. It was really, really nice. I'll have some pictures here, and I have a ton more pictures that I posted on Instagram. So that Sunday, Tim and I got home from the walk, and I went to sleep pretty early. Monday, Tuesday were very busy work days because then I had taken off Wednesday through Friday, so like I had a ton of stuff I was prepping, and I did not get this video done like I wanted to, or I didn't really get to finish filming. I did, thankfully, get everything done on my to-do list. So the to-do list that we made, everything was checked off, everything got done. How is that comfortable? Look how she's lying with her head resting on the bed. You're so funny. Really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll have my entire Clean With Me playlist linked in the description. And if you watched until this part, comment. Well, I feel like we had a lot of questions of the days in today's video. So if you watch until this part, answer those questions if you want to. And also comment, ooh, I'm looking at my home sweet home pillow right there. Comment home sweet home if you watched till this part. Also, yes, I still have some unpacking to do and some cleaning up to do in here. But for the most part, it's pretty clean. I love you, or I should say we love you. And we will see you in our next video. Right, baby? Say bye. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.